my babies, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa. I am a makeup artist, and today I'm gonna show you how to do this very soft glam makeup look. I really love how the look turned out, and I hope that you love it much as I do, because it's very easy to do and everybody can recreate this look. So if you wanna see how I got this makeup look, stay tuned, and now let's get started. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. So now let's go. To begin this makeup look today, I'm gonna use a very good eyeshadow base, and I have three favorites to show you guys. I'm gonna start off using the Pillowies eyeshadow base in the shade number 2, because for my skin shade this is the best, and I really like this creamy eyeshadow base. I think this works really well for any makeup look that you want to do, especially if you have to stick glitter in the eyelids, and this one is one of my favorites. The other one that I have as favorite is the Painterly by MAC. This is the paint pot, especially this shade is very good, and also I love the soft ochre. I believe this is the more yellowish shade, which is so good to apply in the eyelids and to cover the dark circles. Also, I really love and I'm really impressed with the eyeshadow base primer by Sigma Beauty, and this is the shade Ignite, my favorite. I love this neutral eyeshadow base a lot, because when I want to just create any simple look, smoky eye, or a bold look, this one is a good to go. So this is what works best for me, and I really love the quality. And the best thing is that you can use it by itself because it dries matte, and I really love the effect like this as well. So today I'm gonna use the eyeshadow base by Pillowies, because for this look is a very simple look, so I'm gonna use just a small amount. This is enough for both of my eyes, so I'm gonna apply in the eyelids and spread it out using my fingers. Can you see how this eyeshadow base works as a concealer in the eyelid? I really love this effect because it covers the dark circles that I may have, and also the little veins in my eyes, because my skin is too pale so you can see everything. And next step is to go to the eyeshadow. So for today's look, I'm gonna use the Naked Reloaded palette by Decay. I love this palette so much. I think the packaging is amazing, and also the quality of the eyeshadows, the colors are stunning. So to begin this look, I'm gonna use the shade called Bride, the first one from the palette, and I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow in the brow bone just to highlight a little bit and to make everything look matte. Now, using a blending brush, I'm gonna apply the shade Blur in my crease and also a little bit in the other corner of my eyes. This will be my transition shade. I really like the color Blur because it really helps me to tone down the next eyeshadow that I'm gonna apply, and this is Retro, this beautiful peach shade. I really like this color, but I don't like to have a lot of pigmentation of this color in my eyelids because I prefer neutral looks. That's why I like to tone down the eyeshadow with another one before. So the next eyeshadow is Retro. And I'm gonna apply the shade using the same brush in my crease and also in the other corner. As you can see, I go adding the product a little at a time and working this eyeshadow in circular motions, but I don't want to cover completely the first eyeshadow that I applied, because I want to have this gradient of colors in my eyelid, even if this is soft. It will give me a good three-dimensional effect in this makeup look. And the next color that I'm gonna apply is Angelfire. This one. This color is very beautiful. It's wearable, works for everybody. It's very glittery and shimmery and so good to layer right on top of any eyeshadow that you want. Today I keep the eyelid clean so I can create this three-dimensional look without any eyeshadow underneath. And to apply this eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the same brush as before. Okay, so now I can apply mascara and fake lashes, and this eye makeup look is very simple, so it's done. But in case you're interested, you can apply a little bit of gel liner as well to create a little effect in this eye or even create a cat eye effect in your eyes. So today I'm going for a smoke eyeliner again, so I'm gonna use just a little bit of gel liner, and today I'm gonna use this Stunningly Ladylike by Sigma, which is the brown eyeliner, because I really love the color and also how it looks in the eyes, especially with a more soft makeup look. So I'm gonna apply this gel liner with a little angled brush like this. And the next step to smudge it out, I'm gonna use the darkest brown eyeshadow from the palette, and this is Endgame. I love this color to add in the eyeliner, for example, like this. And to apply this shade, I'm gonna use a firm sharpshooter brush. So now I'm back and I just applied my fake lashes. Moving on to my face, I'm gonna apply blush, and this one's very pigmented. The color is stunning. This is Honey Type by Melt Cosmetics. Look these colors. This is a very beautiful peachy shade. So I'm gonna apply this blush in the apples of my cheeks, but it's matte. So to give a little glow in this makeup look, I'm gonna use the blush light by Melt Cosmetics as well, and this is the shade Gosh Light, but it looks gold when you're applying your cheeks. So I'm gonna just use a little bit of this product as my highlighter, and also I'm gonna bring it down to my blush to give it a little light. To apply this blush, I'm gonna use this Spotlight Duster brush, which is my favorite of all the time to apply any powder in my face, powder, highlighter, blush, everything, and especially contour, because it gives me a more natural effect. So I'm gonna use the same brush. This is the brush that I applied powder in my face, by the way. And I'm gonna just apply these products in the apples of my cheeks. This color is so beautiful and gives me this amazing natural and healthy effect in my face. And now I'm gonna apply Gosh Light. This is amazing. I'm gonna use the Gosh Light blush light as my highlighter and also as my blush light, as the name says. So I'm gonna apply using a fawn strobing brush. Oh, this is very pigmented, so I wanna diffuse a little more. And to conclude this makeup look, today I'm gonna use the liquid lipstick by the Balm Cosmetics, and this is the shade Honest. Also, I'm gonna add a little bit of the liquid lipstick by BH Cosmetics, and this is the shade Sorbet. And this is how I finished this makeup tutorial. I really love how this look turned out. It's very easy to do and everybody can recreate this look. As you can see, this is so easy and very good to many different eye shapes. So in case you don't like this peachy shade, you can change it for a brown or nude or anything you want. These are good to go. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you like it much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials. Comment down below what you think about this makeup look and also what I want to see next here in my channel. I'll be so happy to know and to do your favorite looks as well. So I see you later in the next videos. Mwah. Bye!